That's a good one, Char. Oh my. You're so funny. You want to go to the doctor? So then I might come over there.
I was not on Blueberry.
Don't do that. Silly girl.